Right, Murray Zimbabwe, this update is one of those updates that you shouldn't miss because Taura, some things you can rarely find it by YouTube except kubva kwandiri Super Nexus nema insiders atinawo pano pamzinda wevanhu anosanganisira Comrade Gungunde, anosanganisira Comrade Takawira. So I have talked to both of them. Nhasi ndichivabvunza kuti vakomana ndipei ma-updates from the deep state. Nezuro we told the people kuti kune ma-generals 2 abatwa anga achifungirwa kuti they are on Mnangagwa side, but right now they have shown interest in backing Chiwenga in trying to stop the constitution mutilation yeCAV 3 and so mhuri yeZimbabwe Comrade Gungunde vandiudza about the momentum, vandiudza also about a meeting yaito Kariba, a meeting, it was more like a meeting of the gentleman's meeting yema guys ari mu yatoti isusu deep state tichingoreva kuti isusu the people who actually controls the real state resources, which starts by the weapons. Vanokontrola mabarracks, vanhu vane influence kumabarracks. Some of these guys are retired military generals who still controls whole military barracks. So tikachitaura kukontrola military barracks, right? Muzimbabwe mune military barracks akawanda, imwe inenge iri kune mamwe kugweru, Bulawayo, Masvingo, muno muHarare, Mutare, etc. And so all of these places kune ma-weapons akashafwa uko, kozoita mabox ema-explosive akashafwa uko, kozoita chii zvakashafwa uko. So all of these things ndoringe chinzi Zimbabwean military, and these bases kune people who are in control of them. So although the central command iri kuno ku KG6, I mean now yakunzi Josiah Magamba Tongogara barracks, iri the administrative barracks, although iri the administrative barracks, chinoitika ndechekuti they need all of these guys consistent loyalty, because their power, the power ya General Matatu is the military commander, only lies within it only depends on how much loyalty he commands. And so some of these guys, they oppose CAV 3, and they have seen so far a lot of other guys who've been opposing CAV 3. It seems like pane a systematic death iri kuitika kwavari, vari kufa zvine order. So yekuti it's hard for you to think kuti it's natural. Zvine order yekuti how come everybody who is known to be a Chiwenga hardliner, who is known not to be a Chiwenga hardliner exactly, but to be somebody who loves the 2013 constitution, who loves the agreements that were made muna 2017 pakabviswa Robert Mugabe. Because remember, the people who were fighting to remove Robert Mugabe, they were taking a big risk in their lives. Risk inogona kukonzeresa kuwanikwa vachisungwa on a case yekuti this is treason. Muri kupandukira president, this is treason. And moto papachine death sentence panguva iyoyo vaitopfuudzwa, if you understand. So they took big risk. But the reason why they took this risk is because they were like, no, this Mugabe cannot establish a dynasty muno munyika medu, and we want what? Democracy. This is where we went to war, etc. And so they pushed so hard. And once Mnangagwa was the president, unfortunately Mnangagwa also had the same imperialist thoughts, the same colonizer attitude and mentality. And so that's why papa memchudza kunzi kubva kunana 2020 uko magenerals edu apera zviri systematic. Why? So Mnangagwa knows the guys who really stand for the truth, who were like, you see it's very unfortunate kuti Mnangagwa is fighting the same very guys who supported his descent to power, his ascent to power. He is fighting those same guys because they are standing on truth. What they want is the truth. What they want is real democracy. What they want is real transparency. That's why vakabvisa Mugabe for trying to destroy that. So Mnangagwa, knowing kuti he actually has the same mentality na Mugabe, he is going to destroy what? That. So he started fighting these guys, these honest guys, without them even knowing kuti chichikuitika. But after some time, the pattern have been seen. So meeting at Kariba involves some of the guys who were known to be neutral, because everybody are neutral when it comes to these circles. Actually, because if you are neutral when Mnangagwa is consolidating power, you are his friend. That's what he wants. He wants you to just be quiet. He actually take over power. Achichinja mtemo achita say he wants you to be neutral. So they've been neutral. Vanga vasiri kusupporta Cab 3 or anything. Vanga vangori neutral. Vari pakati nepakati. But now ava vasiri pakati nepakati vanosupporta Chiwenga, vanomira nechokwadi, vanoti no to Cab 3. Vamwe vacho ndo vakasubmita vana Henry Muchena. We know them. That's the known ones. Vana Henry Muchena. Nane macomrade awa angari behind 7 macomrade angari behind Love Momaduk. It's angari behind Love Momaduk court case yakaiswa ku constitutional court about Cab 3 ichida kumisa Cab 3, right? So those guys and more of them, they have been active, and which means they openly opposed Mnangagwa. And Mnangagwa is just about neutrality. Very neutral. Very neutral because they just let him do what he wants. So these active ones have started a campaign right now approaching these neutral ones. With guys, so 4 of them, of the neutral ones, right to a meeting now ku Kariba. And fortunately, news desk these guys have agreed also with actually Cab 3 is a bad thing. So vato batok side rino, vato avek side rino rekwa Chiwenga, and it is of right now. So more action is being taken by the guys, the same guys who make up the Geza revolution, who are vana Nox Chivero, who are vana chi, and it's the same guys. Varikuita ma moves. So four my top dogs military, my top dogs military. So because that's the most important right now. Who is talking in Zimbabwe? It's no longer my MPs. It's no longer not Daniel Gary. They are useless. They are useless. It's not them anymore, because they have taken Zimbabwe back to the trenches. It's no longer them who are in control of the country, because the civilians have failed. You understand? The civilian government has failed to run the country, because it just broke the constitution itself. The government broke the constitution. Everybody, the whole parliament. Pachazumba muna. Parliament, yes. Kubvumirana, kuita utsotsi. Kubvumirana, kuchinja, mutemo, kuti vabenefite, vagare mugovernment for 2 more years. So, anytime soon, muchaona ma-updates, mamwe are serious, anenge achiuya, because serious things are happening. Ndini wenyu, wechidhaka, Super Nexus. Zvinhu zvichiitika, boys and girls. Stay tuned. Peace.